Alright, another quick beekeeping installment for you. So pop down to beekeeping supplies. I need to pick up a little bit of equipment to process some of these supers. So I grabbed a couple of buckets with some honey gates and some like a strainer and a few other bits and pieces. Also in the mail arrived the extractor. So this is a 3-frame Viva extractor, made for the price. It's cheap as chips, but surprisingly sturdy. So we'll see how it runs. Like anything, you know, you get a few runs out of it, it's paid for itself. So that's pretty good. So putting it together is pretty easy. It's all pretty simple. Take note of when you put these little things on that if you put all your nuts in finger tight at the start, then it's easy sort of to tighten them all down. If you start tightening each nut straight away, they're slightly a bit out of alignment. Just keep that in mind if you're going to purchase one of these and give them a try. I mean, bang for buck. And at this beginner hobbyist level, why wouldn't you try one of these? So we got a cyclone sort of happening in Brisbane at the moment, so we had to do this probably a week or two earlier than I wanted to. But what we've done is we've pulled down about 1.5 supers worth of frames. And we're just going to process them in the meantime, and then in a few weeks we'll get the rest of the supers off the hives, and which they should be done by then, and we'll process the rest. At the moment, it's just a first run with new equipment, trying it out. So yeah, if you see anything that's a bit dodgy, it's our first time. So if you got any tips, put them in the comments. Well open to suggestions. So I'm a suck it and see sort of guy, and just trying things out as we go. The little extractor itself runs pretty well. As you can see, we bolted it to an old pallet I've got, and that just stops it sort of wobbling around. And even at full speed, this thing ran like a charm. I mean, it's only small. It's a 3-frame extractor, but really at this level, what more do you need? So one thing I learned from this experiment was, and as you'll see, the honey's coming out a bit sort of kind of bubbly, I guess. I waited a bit long to empty the extractor. The bottom cage that the frames sit in was spinning up the honey and sort of creaming it. Anyway, so I'll leave that to settle over the next couple of days, and the bubbles should rise to the top and the honey should be back to sort of normal. But yeah, there's one lesson I learned from this extraction. As time went on, yeah, it got easier and easier to get these frames ready. So for anyone that doesn't know the way these little extractors work, you throw your frames in, spin them for about 10 minutes, and then you turn your frames around and spin them for another 10 minutes. And that's about it. So we had 18 frames to go through, and we ended up with about 23 kilos of honey. Subscribe, like, I don't know, do whatever you want to do. We'll post something else about our beekeeping journey very soon.